We've seen lawyers turn down cases when Shirley play if you're dead. Lawyers rejected money and said we not work for you, why you get sink. Tom Tavares could have said the same. You think Tom Tavares need Barabbas money? Same beast.
Welcome viewers and subscribers to Jadil Entertainment. Thank you for being here. On new viewers, click the subscribe button. Well, people today will come to talk about the money up on the screen like now. Well, Vybz Kartel right now I get a lot of backlash on the internet because the haters them don't want to see him free. You see it? So a lot of people are come on the internet and say a lot of things. You see it, I try to drive up a lot of things like them want carry confusion against the man. But hear me I say now, when I see how Vybz Kartel right, I will not say Vybz Kartel wrong. That's our opinion. You see it? But Vybz Kartel recently got a video did of him, you see it, by Politics. You see it, Sir P. So Sir P this house and do a video on Vybz Kartel guys and I must say a lot of things, you see it? And he must tell us give us some details about the Gaza Empire. So basically guys we know about the situation, so I make you hear what Sir P have to say so we can give it your honest opinion when you think about what Sir P has said right there. So and you say if you're new to my channel guys, may I ask you stick a like on this video, subscribe to my channel, help the channel to grow right there. So one side ready.
Yo, Jadil. Innocent line fight, brother. How you do for advance? Me and Prince record. Yo, my gun for mine. You know, so life messy. Man, I take on the forward life messy. Cause poverty life, me can't take him out. Me coulda jump on a plane and cut left it.
All of them Wanga Gaza artists we used to get beaten like picnic. Like our pimp beat him, hook at them. I'll make a video about it. You see, Popcorn, Rhino and them, the whole of them, the female artists, them, Gaza Kim and all of them, they're like hookers. You ever study the relationship between a hooker and a pimp? Pimp backside down, kick her down, thump out her teeth, no matter what happen, the hooker will tell you. But I still have to stay loyal to him because I don't know if I never him wound up on the street corner. I say I look at him do my nail and I him do my nails. No matter where they them, no matter what world spread to them. Barabbas make man beat them like them a picnic. Right. Vybz Barabbas make Leng box Gaza Kim till she piss up herself. That's a fact. Ask Leng if you don't believe me. Him brag about it every day. Him and Vybz Barabbas laugh about it for a month straight and can tell you. Remember she was Gaza Kim, then she go up on TV, go talk about how them beat her up and Rose Pratt man beat her up and she take out the Gaza off her name, now she put it on back. And they're like hookers. And I kill the pimp beat them. Still, if I never for him still moon up on a street corner, yeah. Yes, me I say, me have to give thanks because I him me there so on the street corner. I him help me, help. Different thing help and exploit. I you up on the street corner get juking in your hole every day. And him collect most of the money and give him feel like to give you. That's how Gaza used to run. When them Gaza artists say they run the road sprat, them a suffer like dog, a chicken back them and them right through. Send them on tour, when time they come back, things them I get big money, them they get nothing. Big boxing and kick them up their mouth. All the time Rajic dead, them still traumatized with them afraid of him. All the time Ling left Gaza, them still afraid. They want to box them get. So when they see them in the media talk about, yo, Vybz Kartel that free boss. True, them think him a come back a road now, so them a say, you need to go back around him. Remember him do this to me and do this to me. These are some of the most effeminate males on earth. I want thing to see Gaza Kim them and Sheba them a go and see, but to see quote unquote man. Right. Remember when Rhino left, go lick your pitney, go lick your pitney. And they see him on stage a fire. Me love Kartel the most. These men are pathetic, quote unquote men. Look out for that video, bunch of hookers. Enough of them people they see in the entertainment that talk about World Sprat, this and free World Sprat and free Vybz Barabbas. Right. They have Stockholm syndrome, enough of them were as victims. They want a lick in the face them get. They want a time they can't go party because they're afraid. Now they might try to get back in his good books. Right. This the whole of them. I'm have to take that and run back in front of him. Hookers, look out for that video. You lick your pitney. Regular box in her face. Stockholm syndrome is a real thing though. Google it. But see people that send me picture with like one analogy of like one pitney I go to one somebody and I say, oh daddy and auntie and when we talk about daddy this and daddy that and daddy pitney ask permission on the laugh and mock. And that's fine, except when you're going to send it back to me, now it starts to get laughable. Right? People are saying me things, but look on this, bro. They look on this, you can understand what I go on. Understand what I go on. Nobody send it back over here, so. That's like buying a zinger, taking out the lettuce, right, and replacing it with pop chow, right, and then sending it back on the road, or try to sell KFC. Now, the same thing that, brother. Instead of zinger, it named blinger. I try to sell back KFC a blinger. That's ridiculous. Make you get into the matter now. Work we are working, you know. Non-stop. The matter around judges and juries and it's a complicated one. Me say Judge Sykes come out, even from the Klansman trial, come out and say if you get rid of jury completely, because jury can get this and jury can get that and all them things, and just have a judge around the case. Like everything else, when an argument is presented, we look on it from both sides. When Justice Sykes said that, I said, alright, those are valid points. They can threaten a jury, can threaten this and threaten that. And as we've seen in a Rose Pratt case, they can buy out this and buy out that. But guess what? All that applies to the judge too. All that applies to the judge too. So just having one judge instead of having a jury, that don't make me no more comfortable. Because now you have one man for buy out, one man for threaten, one man for intimidate, one man for this and that. My suggestion, I put forward from the Klansman trial was that in some cases, especially the high-profile, big anti-gang cases, when you look on 20, 30 men in front of you, it shouldn't be one judge. You need a panel of judges. You can have 3. We can get rid of jury for them cases. Because if you have 40 Klansmen on trial, enough jury members not even going to want to turn up. Right? If you're going to be in a jury panel case with 40 Klansmen. The individual case them, yes, jury, but when you have 50 Klansmen, I go 51 other man, 50 stone crusher man, enough jury members are shaking at them boot before they reach a court. For them case there, I would suggest a panel of judges, not just one judge, not Sykes alone, not no one judge alone. Because, as we see in the Klansman case, Justice Sykes never even knows a gun will hold 7 shots, can fire 8. Him true matters because him said the gun holds 7 and the police them said fire 8. And that's not possible. And it is. Because a gun holds 7 does fire 8. 7 at the magazine and 1 at the head. You never know that. So when you have one judge oversee case, man you get things dash out. All the time I saw you go. Jamaica must can find 3 top judge to oversee anti-gang and then big case when you have multiple defendants. So I see the argument why jury cases have its flaws, but the judge case have its flaws too. Everything that the justice system have its flaws. The justice system by nature have flaws. Anything where a group of man sit down and come up with must have flaws. That's just the nature of man. We have to talk about pros and cons. For the regular murder charge, they man pick up a man, then people need to get tried by a jury of them peers. Maybe if we invest better in protecting jury members and protecting witnesses, then this will happen. That's what them not talk about, you know. There's hardly any protection for jury members and witnesses, and the witness protection program is massively underfunded. Them don't want to look into that. Instead, them rather say, get rid of it completely. But the big anti-gang case, them, 50 gunman, enough people not turn up to that. You hear excuse till they're tired. A panel of judges should suffice. And here is the next thing we now look at. In the Vybz Barabbas case, it was the judge who went along with it. Members of the DPP is a prosecutor. Miguel Land them and Pierre them and Tam Tavares them are defense. Do you know who made the final decision that day? It was the judge. The fact that the judge signed off on it means that the judge don't know the law either. The judge either never know there was a loophole or him know and went along with it, which would be very interesting. Because in the claim say system against Rose Pratt. Do you think the judge know less than Tam Tavares and Miguel Land? No, possible, anything possible. But only 2 things happen there. Either the judge himself never know, say, there was this loophole, which would be interesting because he's a judge. Or him know and say, go on a road. Knowing said this case, I will turn upside down. Interesting. Has to be explored. Because so far we talk about the DPP and we talk about the defense, but we don't talk about the judge. And him sign off on it, you know. Him sign off on it. So why him never say, actually, this is what should have happened in an ideal situation then, since when they say judge them an expert and learn colleague and all them things. Even if the DPP go in and say, alright, make the case continue, which is what defense want,